Hello viewers, today I will show you how to rent car in Japan. A lot of option of rent car in Japan. So at first you go to your Google application and search nearby rental car company. When you search a lot of company you find for a rent car in Japan. After that you go to under the page and you see their page and phone number. If you want to rent a car, you will call and talk to company. Second option, there are many applications to rent a car in Japan. So now I will show how to rent a car with the application. When you are search in App Store, you will find a lot of application for rent car in Japan. There are many kind of application whose name is Times, Toyota Rental Car, Nikopasu, etc. So I will show you Nikopasu application. I think every application is same. So when I show you one application you will understand other application. So I choose the Nikopasu application because I live in Osaka and Osaka is very convenience application Nikopasu. So I choose Nikopasu. If you live in Tokyo and other side, you choose Times and Toyota Rental Car etc. When you open an application for rental car, you have a lot of information need to open a rent car application. These videos I can't see you how to open application because a lot of important information need, example driving license, address, phone number etc. So I cannot show you how to open an application. When complete your application you will choose your car area and which car you want to drive. Thank you watching for my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel